guys doing? Welcome to another vlog. I thought I'm going to start another vlog because sometimes I just forget to vlog. The week goes by and no vlog. Anyway guys, I'll be helping my husband in the garden because we have some fillings to do in our lawn. Today let me go outdoor and help this gentleman out. Wait. Guys, we managed to level this place a little bit, but we're not going to do anything to the ground at the moment. We're just going to let it kind of sink a little bit. I reckon that we need more soil. And you know what's really weird? So when we built our summer house, as you can see, this summer house here, a lot of soil came out. So what these builders they did, they just took the topsoils away without even asking if we wanted the soil. They just took it away, and now we are spending a lot of money to buy soil just to fill in the gap that they didn't do. It's really bizarre. Like, they are really cheeky people. I think we still reckon 2 more bags we've done so far, but it still needs 2 bags. I'm just trying to do everything so that this summer house we can start using it as soon as possible. My hubby just literally did a step. So it's still going to finish it. You can see we still have this side to finish, but he did it. You know, he's very good. Like all the plumbing and everything, he's like a proper handyman. So yeah, so this is the soil. So it's just that time of the year again, like everything is just, the garden is not right, and my hydrangea, I forgot to clip it, so it needs clipping now to take all the dead thing off. Then I need to feed it so that this spring they will be ready to blossom again. I was saying that I should just literally do it today, otherwise it's not going to be done. This one is a law, so this one needs doing. Otherwise it's not going to be done. Oh my god, look at this part of this garden. Oh my goodness, like honestly, like this one needs raking. I need to rake this place. Oh my god, we actually left soil here. I completely forgot to, you could see it's a little bit bumpy. I actually tipped some soil here, but I forgot to rake it over. But guys, if you have a property, there's a lot of work, except you're super rich and you just want to pay people doing it for you, like Costa. We have gardeners that come, but they just come do maintenance and that's it. But if you really want to get into it, my goodness, you need to spend a lot of time in the garden. And you know what, I am not a gardener. I love spending time in the garden, but gardening thing is not my thing, you know. But I think I have to start making a lot of effort. At the moment, you can see completely dead. Like I couldn't plant anything here because of my neighbor's tree that are horrible, and whenever I plant here it doesn't germinate. I think I just have to just buy the bullets and buy some plants and see what happens, because this one for the past years now, this one has managed to grow a little bit. I think I just have to do the same because the ground is absolutely saturated this minute. I think this is what I need to do. I need to buy plants. I just need to buy some plants and grow something, because I really want this fence to be covered. I think it's just a little bit too harsh. I don't have problem on the other side because I've got the bushes there. The life of a country girl. Yeah, what should I do? Should I go clip or should I go edit my video? I think I should go and clip. Otherwise, it's not going to be done. Tea. There's something inside my tea. I just finished clipping. Then I'm very inspired to go to the garden center to go buy some plants, because I think this is the perfect time to start planting. The area I really wanted to plant is that border I showed you, you know, this side. The ground is very soft, and I think if I don't plant now, I'm just going to miss an opportunity for anything to start germinating, because this is spring, this is when plants start coming to life. I think I might have to go to the garden center and pick probably, I don't know, probably like 4 or 5 plants. And recently I asked the gardener to take the roses that were here. They were not very pretty roses, so I asked him to take the roses off this spot, and you can see weeds are beginning to come through. I need to plant some things here. I need to put some really nice scented roses there, and start putting this garden together, because you know, any lovely day now, I just want us as a family to start spending time out when it's really nice. Like last year when it was really nice, I did it really nicely. We ate out mostly every day, because I cook, I set the table on a nice day, and we were all just eating out, and it was just normal. You know, when it came to autumn, during the autumn time, we were still trying to eat out, but when it got so cold, that's when we were not used to eating. We were not used to eating indoor anymore. It's just like really fabulous. But like some people, they enjoy just gardening, just doing, but I am not that kind of person. But I'm going to literally give it a go and just try to make my garden enjoyable, because we are lucky to have this garden, to be honest with you. So guys, I really mean it when I told you guys I was going to the garden center. Hey, I don't know what came to me this morning. It wasn't part of my agenda. And let me just come out. Oh God. Recently I did plant my lavender. So basically the gardener took the shrubs that were here out, as you can see. So I just recently, the same thing just came to me. I was just like, you know what, the gardener has done it. I need to go to the garden center and buy lavender. And I did, and I planted this, but I need to put like a bush in that corner and maybe put some other plants at the back, you know. And I did the same thing here as well, you know. In 2 years time, that lavender will be really nice. Like, yeah, it would be really nice, you know. But now it just looks like a baby. But this is the idea: you plant a little bit, before you know it, something amazing will come out of it. So guys, at the end, voila. Voila, I bought some plants. I'm going to go plant. Yeah. So when I got there, I went to a lady and I was just like, please, I am looking for plants, because this is the situation of the part of the garden that I want to plant on. Do you mind helping out, or do you mind just giving any tip or directing me to any of these plants? And this lady went to, okay, she's just coming. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, are you going to help me to my car? Thank you. Oh, yes, let's do it. Like I was saying, I came to the garden center to buy plants. Yeah, you can see my plants. Anyway, the experience that I have here is the most amazing experience, because I just simply asked the lady that was pushing my soil that, oh, can you, this is the condition of my soil, of my garden, Do you mind helping? Can you direct me to any plant that will fit in the kind of soil, because it's clay soil, it's a bit droughty because my neighbor have that horrible tree that I showed you earlier on. And this lady went to the shed, brought a brochure. She was trying to say, oh, this plant will help, that will do, that will do. And she was just like, you know what, let me call another lady that is more knowledgeable. And she called this other lady, oh my god, as if I have like a personal shopper, to a point whereby the kindness was too much. I'm having goosebumps, I'm emotional. I was just like, ladies, I don't know how to thank you guys. They just made my day even more productive. Just amazing people. Anyway, let me start going home and let's start. Probably, hopefully, I'll be able to do some planting. So guys, my first one is in. I'm actually quite happy. This one that I've done it, hopefully I will start seeing some growth in this border area. I am so happy. The first one down. So I think, how many do I have to plant? One. So I bought 7 plants, so I have 6 more to go. It's hard work. It's so warm. I've got 6 more to go.